Hi friends, how are you all? Hope you all are doing very well. So today I'll teach you how to draw a portrait in freehand, step by step. Okay, this will be a full tutorial on portrait drawing, and till the end you will learn many things. Okay, so first you have to watch the portrait very carefully, very minutely. The shapes of the eyes, the distance between the eyes, nose shape, lip, of course the chin, and the shape of the face is very important. So watch the video till the end and you will learn many things from this video. Okay, so let's start. Bye. So this is the portrait that I'm going to draw. Watch it carefully. The shapes, I will start from here, and first I will draw the eyebrows, then the shapes, then the eyes. Look at the shapes, and the nose. Now coming to the nose, look at the shape, and then I'm going to the mustaches and lip and the chin. Yeah, chin is very important here because the shape of the chin is quite different here. Chin thus goes here and thus goes from this and that. Okay, so let's begin. I'll teach you step by step how to draw this. This will be a freehand sketch, so I may not have to match the 100%, but if I could match it up to 80 to 90%, then I'll be very happy, because in freehand sketch you never expect the portrait to be 100% perfect. Okay, so let's begin. Watch till the end. I will put the reference here. You can find the reference in Pinterest. This is an image taken from Pinterest. So let's start and start from here. Step by step you can draw with me. uh, okay, so start. So first, this is my point. Okay. Mm, this is the eyebrow here. Let's come here. Now let's come to the closer. Freehand sketch. Shading is not a purpose here, but I will shade some parts. Now come to the nose. Now the eyes. Eyes. This eye start from here, and this eyes start from here. Look at the shape. It's like this. Yeah. And for this eyes, the shape is like that. Uh, Okay, so the look at this point. Yeah, these are my eyes. Now let's go to the nose. At the height, nose height is quite good. Mm, yeah. Mm, now this part here and here. Okay, now I'm going to the mustaches. Look at the mustaches. Starts from here. Goes there. It's like that. On the lip, lip is it's dark at the shape, and under the lip there is this shape is like that. Here, mm, okay. Now the chin. Tip of the chin is like this. Okay, I may be wrong, but what I am seeing in the reference I'm drawing according to that. Now here is another shape here, and this point goes on here. And look at this shape, the chin, and after that, from chin it goes like this here, and from here like goes this, and it, after this point, another point here is like this. From there, from there, the shapes is this, and from there you find shape is like this. Yeah, shape is so this is the shape, the face. Now now from here comes to this point. Here is some hair. Here is also some hair. And, now look the ears. Ears come starts from here and ends in this point. Nearly this point. Here is quite large. Just like the ear. Not going to detail, very detail. Just going with the shapes, and in this case the that starts from here is very big. The ears. And then going to the shape of the pagri. It's like that. Here it's going to like this. Shape of the pagri. I'm not going to very detail, just doing the shape, nothing. The pagri will be like this. Okay. Now for the mm, down part starts from here. Okay, and I'm doing some sketches. So Okay guys, so nearly my portrait complete. The shading procedure is another thing. It's just like the shape, and yeah, there's another thing. I'm using now a woodless charcoal just to setting out the part. Nothing else. Okay, so this will be just a shading part, nothing else. Guys, so my drawing is nearly complete. So thank you for watching. If you liked my videos, then consider subscribe my channel for future videos. Okay. Okay, so it's done. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.